symbol where the game. Hi everyone, Billy hello. Trading view with chart, trading view MGC. Good evening everyone. Good evening. All adds up. So yes, Rick, uh, what what price you're seeing on the or what contract you're using? So go to the symbol where you see at the top left and you can change it. I am so shaky. Why you keep playing these games, Kitty? Stop playing that. Hope you're doing well. Yes, Mr. Hamza. Hope I'm doing well. No sound AFX on YouTube. How about now, Mr. Singh, Singa Jehetu? My trading view looks like yours. Okay. And what about trade weight? Hello, hello, hello. Futures. Yes, this is futures. Why? What happened? Yes. Okay. Okay, let me see. Mm, which one? This one? Oh, this one? You're lost. Why? Why you do this to yourself? Mm, okay. Hmm. Uh-oh, what day it is? It's payday. It's payday. Huh? Hmm. Do we need to test again? 3 minutes, money in your account? Okay, I'm requesting. No, I didn't trade FMC. I wasn't. Yeah, I wasn't even on the charts. Okay. Yeah, it was good. Good. All right, I just requested this, so let's see how much time it takes. That's how simple it is, guys. You request it, no drama, no denials. Best in the best. You don't have to go anywhere else. Just get funded with Lucid, Top Step, Tradify, Apex, TPT. That's it. Forget about all other firms for now. You just need one or two good firms. This is my fourth payout for this month, and I literally withdraw $20,000 just from one farm, Lucid. $20,000 in 1 month from one farm. Now imagine if you have accounts with the other farms, how much money you can make. This is this is with the one farm. The next payout is coming with the $30,000 with the Apex. So 20 plus 30, $50,000 in 1 month. Now do the math. You can, Paji, you're a legend. AFX, why are you looking so handsome today? I like to see that. See what? Payday, yes. I'm okay. All right. That's mouth watering. Uncle G, it is mouth watering, but my goal is to take you everybody there. First, I want to take you to whatever you're making, right? And we discuss this every single morning. Every single morning. VIP, guys, VIP, VIP. All the trades, and the what's the best thing, all the trades I have been taken on these accounts, it's live here. I don't take trades like once I'm off the live. I don't open my charts and, oh, let me get this buy sell and do all that. No, all the trades were taken here live with you guys, in front of you guys, in front of the VIPs during the New York session. And I also show them my trades there as well. Here, yes, you see like more trading view and all that. So what a crazy day in the market. Yes. Hmm. Break in. You, are you here in the chat? Invalid cells freezing? For what? UFX, how are you? I've been slacking in the past couple days. Why? Why are you slacking, man? Need some motivation. Yeah, that will come with tomorrow, New York session with big motivation. Why trades have different price than trade weight? How many times we're gonna talk about that? Guys, you need to update your contract. You need to update your contract from MGC Q6 to MGC C6. Gone back yet? Yeah. Maybe that's the reason. Yeah. Yeah, Maria, the price is same. 4131 Z6 on the trade weight. Both are Z6, yes. Is it gold? Yes, this is gold. Gurpraj, Kidan Paji, Kidan Kidan. The price is the same, just no gap on the trade weight. Yeah. Yes, I'm doing since yesterday. Okay. 500 ticks gap on the trading view. On the trade weight, there's no gap. No gap on the top step X either. Yeah. Okay, how many of you take trade during the FOMC? Let's discuss about the markets now. How many of you take any buy or sell during the FOMC? Check your Discord. Yes, I checked the Discord. Break in. Congratulations, first of all, and second, I want you to share in the Discord so everybody know. Okay. So yeah, guys. So far, now we have the three winners for the 100K challenge. Okay, Rick, Bablu, and Break in. These three people. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. These three people are the winner of 100K account. So each of them gonna get 100K account from AFX community as uh, playing good, getting the payout from the loser. So yes, congratulations, man. Tyson, are you here in the chat? So in our community, you will also get accounts by performing well. I know we do the giveaways, we do all those things for the freeloaders as well. But if you perform good, if you stay disciplined, and if you take the payouts, you will get more accounts from us. So yes, congratulations to these three beautiful people. I'm gonna send you those accounts today. Okay. Yeah, it looks like the price will start breaking the lows, and it might come down, push down from here. And we can easily expect around this zone, which is around 4105. Okay. I'm not in any trade yet, no active trades. Okay. So give me some time. I'm doing so many random things on the other screens. Mm, Is it fine? This one? You think they're smart enough to understand this or no? Susie is here. What are you trading? Susie, today we're trading Bitcoin. Now we're gonna troll her today. We're trading Bitcoin. Guys, if you can't see the price, what is the price? And you can't compare that. Like, is it a Bitcoin? Is it a Nasdaq? Is it a Dow Jones? Is it gold? Is it silver? Is it crude oil? Then you shouldn't be here. I'm telling you.
Tap the screen. Hey, sister. Hey, sister.
Okay. So yeah, the price is still dropping. Hmm. So Kitty, are you ready for some sales?
Sure.
Sure. What
Sure.
what do you think? Fortune teller.
Hmm. It's been dropping this whole time.
Hmm.
It can still go down. Oh, crap. Hold on. I'm trying to calm my mental. I'm so shaken up. Let's see. Let's see. 1 hour. Let me look at the daily. Hold on.
What? They already proved my payouts? Come on, Kitty.
Hey, no. Now send me $500. Um, so the daily has made its top wick, and it's still, yeah, I see sales.
Uh-huh.
You still scared, girl? Yes, terrified, actually. I'm shaking.
Wait for the hour closure. Yeah, in 13 minutes this hour is about to close. So let's see how this close, and then we're gonna get into most likely into some sell side. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's see. And we can expect the move towards 4105 for 4100s. But on the flip of the next hourly, if it gives some topic, and don't forget, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow is where we're gonna make most amount of money, especially in the New York session.
Yeah, so y'all better get in VIP or y'all gonna miss out on a big move. And I mean, I'm talking thousands of dollars. Y'all think I'm playing? Thousands of
You heard the
dollars.
lady.
So serious. Y'all just heard the man say he get $20,000 and then 30,000 next, well, in a few more days. That's $50,000 in 1 week. Times
One
that by 12.
in 1 month.
Or in yeah, 1 month. And then times that by 12. That's almost $500,000. Mm-hmm. Don't say I ain't told you.
Big gap for
I better get my.
futures, but not for CFDY, because that's the different market. This is the different. Even in the CFDs, you're gonna see the different with all the brokerage you use. So let's say if you trade with the Oanda, that's different. If you trade with forex.com, that's going to be a different. If you trade with another broker, that's going to be different.
did you eat?
Am I pregnant?
Yeah, you're expecting triplets.
I didn't eat anything though. I just drink my shake. Maybe it's the shake because today I use different things. Ginger ale, yeah, maybe.
Um, I would say take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. That should relieve some gas that you may have because you were eating peanut, well, those nuts too.
Nuts? Like walnuts?
It's probably the nuts and the protein. Probably tried a different protein or too much. I got some gas in your stomach. That's just, very uncomfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Do you have some at home right now?
Yeah.
Go do it before the trade. You got
You
10 minutes.
you said nuts, now I need to eat some.
No, no, we're not in the trade. Can you please go take a. How you gonna sit here and tell me about your stomach, and I'm telling you how to release it, and you sit here eating? Oh my God.
It's fine, guys. It's fine. I live. I live.
Yeah, you'll live, but you be uncomfortable.
Sometimes you
Oh,
need to learn how to stay uncomfortable.
I don't know where you be getting your motivation quotes from, but they're horrible.
It's by one and only Mr. AFX.
My
A very
God.
a very wise person, a very wise guy once told me, "Man, you need to be uncomfortable to become comfortable in your life." And you know
Ah,
who's that wise person?
who was
Myself.
it? Gotcha. Kind of figured. Makes sense. Insects. Ugh, that's.
Thomas, please don't tell me you drink insect protein. Please, you will get banned. I think maybe I eat too much watermelon today. That's the reason.
You have watermelon?
I love watermelon.
Y'all, he not gonna give y'all no trade if y'all ain't at 50,000 likes. I don't know. Y'all got 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Y'all better get the 50,000 likes. Y'all know he ain't gonna tell y'all the trade. Y'all better start tapping the screen. My tapper broke. I can't help. So y'all gonna have to put in the work.
Yep.
Y'all better tap the screen. Yeah, he gonna put his trades in VIP only. Y'all gonna be missing out.
Plus, he have some stomach issues going on. So,
Mm-hmm.
all right,
Y'all
daily
better tap.
and 4 hour is flipping though, but hourly closure is coming in 7 minutes. Let's see.
Y'all better tap. Tap, tap, tap the screen, boo. Yeah, 17. Y'all got 7 minutes to get to 50K. Everybody should be tapping the screen. Every person in here should be tapping the screen. So we can get there very fast. It's 140 people in here. If everybody tap into that bar at the top of your screen fill up, y'all will be there so fast. Y'all can do it. I believe in y'all. We got this, y'all.
Faster than Flash.
Mm-hmm. Everybody fill up that bar and just let it go. Let it go. Just keep letting it go. Just keep tapping so he can give y'all a trade tonight. Come on, y'all. There we go. We almost at 20. Y'all got 6 minutes and 52 seconds. 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Come on, y'all. Tap the
All right,
screen.
here we go. KMD, thanks.
20,000. Come on, we can do it. Let me help y'all a little bit because y'all seem like I'm struggling. I can just tap, yeah, with my hand. Let me 50. Come on. I'm tapping too. I'm tapping with my hands. So come on, y'all. We can do it. Let's go. Make this money.
Money, money, money. 5 more minutes. And how much you're expecting? Yeah, that's around 200, 200 to 300 ticks right here at the downside. Same with the upside as well. Spark, can I say it right? Like what I'm saying here, you're setting up your new iPhone? New iPhone? Are you Spark? Are you Spark? Why are you so? Kitty, you can mute and tap. You sound like gin tonic. Speaking of gin tonic, is he here? Mm, yeah. Whenever he's here, he just keep joining and just run away. He keep joining and run away. Okay, 3 more minutes, guys. We are 15K away from 50K. Okay, it's so pretty. It's orange. Yes, Park. That tells a lot about you now. Sorry, sorry, friend. We are no more friend, and you are no more mod here. I'm gonna unmod you because you have orange iPhone, which is so pretty. Let's have a little chill night. Al-Balushi, thanks, man. Two cappuccino and coffee. All right, we're 8K away, guys. Hurry up, hurry up. 1 minute away. 1 minute away for this hourly closure. Wait for the topic and then let's see. Hey, thanks, buddy. Thanks, Belushi. So we need to see if the price starts rejecting from here. So we can look for some buy side, or if it keeps dropping, and then we can look for some sell side. Okay. I mean, that was a very, very solid sells, but we start little bit late today because my stomach is very good right now. Thanks to Kitty because she sent me a really good, delicious dish, and now it's dish. What is the pair? This is Bitcoin. 4K more. What happened? Is it gonna reject from here? Hmm, interesting. Okay. All right, very nice. Now we're talking, guys. Now we're talking. So let's see what's happening in 15. Okay, 15 is pushing up, 30 is pushing up. Hourly is starts breaking these highs. So now instead of looking for the sell side, now let's look for the buy side. Why? Overall, if you see previous daily closure, the price push up gives a nice momentum towards upside. Now we need to see if in low time frame, if it gives a closure above this zone, we're gonna look for some buy side in the gold. Okay, let's see how it reacts here. And this is the volume time. Okay. So let's see. And once this hourly starts breaking the previous hourly highs, there is very high chances that you can expect from here The first target is around 200 ticks. So there is a lot more pip value in the market. Okay, so what does it mean? Like you can make more money even by using less risk. So if you want to get into the early buys, you can get in now, or you can wait for like the closures above and then get into it. But if you know how to use the flexible risk, you can hop in now. Okay. So what I'm planning to do, I am taking like little bit more little contracts here, and then I'm gonna add more once I get the double confirmation with because if I just wait for the closure, I might miss like another like 50, 60 ticks, but actually 70, 80 ticks right here. Okay. So if you want to jump in, you can jump in now or wait for the closure. But overall, yes, it's going to keep continue pushing it towards all the way towards 4200. Who sings the song you're playing? Me. Again, remember, once it starts breaking these highs, we can expect a lot of volume coming in, and then it can keep continue pushing towards. Yeah, once this 15 gives a closure, something here, man, G plus. At that point, yes, G plus kitty. But if it didn't give a closure above, it's pushing up, use the flexible. Use maybe one or two contracts now and wait for the closure, and the next one, full port, 15, 20, 30 GCs, not MGCs, GCs. The entries are still early. Don't think you're missing this out, okay? You can still hop on this train, or you can wait for the closures, okay? Price is what? Okay, 100 ticks away from breaking the highs, right? The highs are 4158, and right now the price is 4149. Yeah, around 80, 90 ticks. So the pip value is very high. Okay, so even with the small push, you can make a lot of money. 5 more minutes. This 15 closure is coming. The next one, yeah, if it gives a closure above this, then yes, we can expect a nice push towards upside. Hello all, hello motive. Why is gold pumping? Because I want to. Not down. We need to change this. It's gonna go down. Increase gold, yes. Increase. Full increase. Huh? We need to wait for the closure first. The 15. Let's see. If this, yeah, if this hourly and this 30 flip, then yes. If they didn't flip and if just do this little bit push down and then push up, then yeah, we'll fine. If it flips, then yes. That's why I place the stop loss on the flip here. Then that might be the fake out. It's looking like it's gonna flip, Imran. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, if it flip, then we need to get out from this entry. Had to put my twins and husband to the bed. Okay. Excuse me, where did you see that I wrote husband? In the chat, look at it. Hey, thanks, Lord up. In the chat, look, you said had to put my twins and husband to bed. Oh God. Ask anybody in the chat. They can see the same thing. Uh-oh. Hourly is about to flip. Yeah, if it flips, I'll be out. Tonight, let's do a little chillax. What's MGCZ6? It is a contract. It's a it's a pair. You see on the trader weight, you don't trade trader weight, so you don't have to worry about that. It's for the people who use trader weight. I have linked trading view with trader weight. Okay, yeah. Filtered weight is bit tricky for me to use. So yeah, trading is yeah. Yeah, trader weight it's not beginner friendly, I would say that. Yeah. I only use because I need to copy accounts within the prop firm. So that's why I use that. Is it good to use MGC1? Yes, you can use that. Guys, if you're using TradingView or TradeC or Project X, you don't have to worry about this. This is for the people who use TradeAway. Okay. That drop wiped me out. Not until it flip. Once this hourly flip, that's the confirmation for the sellers, and we're gonna be out from this trade. Okay. Until then, I would say hold that. All right, the push is coming, guys. Already. Once it starts pushing up, I might add more positions at that time. Not yet. All right, now the price is pushing up. If this 15 now gives a closure above, that's where I'm going to add more contracts in this buys. He always tell us keep it tight, lows. Now we might see another push up. Yep. Can you tell please what is the reason behind you take buy trade? Or what's the reason why I take this buys? Look at the high time frame. Look how the previous daily gives a closure and what's the price is doing. Okay. When the market open, it push up, then drop. Most likely, the drop before the session, before the Tokyo Open is kind of fake out, and now the price starts pushing it up. So once it gives a closure above, the 30 is also about to close in 3 minutes. There is high likely that it will close above the zone, and rest of the session we see continuation towards 4200s. All you have to do is just wait. That's it. You just have to wait and you'll get paid by waiting. And again, once it starts pushing up, breaking these highs, then it's going to be a very big push. is gold. Is it TikTok? 4 hour? No, this is 30 minute. So the 15 is pushing up, 13 is about to close. Yeah, this is 15. 4 hour closing. Oh, you're asking. Yes, 4 hour closing is coming in 30 minutes. By highs, you mean 4158? No, by high means 4142. Yes, 4158. That's the high for the session. 4158.2. Yep. Yeah, 13 more minutes. No, actually, yeah, 28 minutes for the 4 hour closure. Yeah. Yeah, the push can come, but we need to wait little bit here. That's it. So the 15-minute closure is coming in 12 minutes, but the 4 hour and hourly is about to close in uh, 25 minutes, 27 minutes. Okay. So the higher time frame you go, the more confirmation you're gonna get. But overall, yes, it will now starts pushing it up. I want to see this 15 closure. When I say 15 closure, it's mean in 10 minutes, if it close above this zone, which is 4143, which is where the entry is, that will give a double confirmation for the price to start pushing towards upside. And the 4 hour and the hourly, those time frames are even high time frame with a more confirmation. Okay. And once the price starts breaking these highs, which is 50 4158.2, once it starts breaking these highs, the session highs, the daily highs, we can expect another push all the way up. And again, the pip value is too high, so you can easily quickly get 100, 200, 300 ticks out of these moves. FMC news also same as NFP to adjust the market 24 hours. Yes. Yes, King. As FMC was good, yeah, it was good today. It was good. Nice push. Go literally push around uh, s- 400-500 ticks in 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Those are one of the best moves, I would say, for this year in the gold. Moving, uh, giving 600-700 ticks in 2 minutes. That's a lot. Yeah, in 23 minutes, if this hourly give a closure above, then yes. Game over for sellers, and then the buyers will take over and 200-300 takes easy. At least 4165. That's around 200 takes from this point. But for that, we need to wait. Maybe 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, who knows. Can we trade news on Lucid? Yes. Not on the with the daily payouts, but with the flex and I think with the pros you can. Flex is like basically you're trading your own account. No rules, no restrictions, nothing. Bring me back to when Trump would tweet. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, guys, ready for another push. The plane, I would say, is done with this fuel. Okay, we are out of the turbulence finally. Okay, so let's get some fuel, and then this plane is gonna actually, instead of plane, I'm gonna put some rocket here. Okay, because the new 4 hour is about to open. Let's see. So who is the astronaut? That's a good question. Who wants to be? Where's Winter? We need Winter here. Oh, Kitty, it's listening to you. You can do this. You can do this. But if you say, Kitty, like this, push, 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 goal, goal, push. It's not gonna push. You're gonna push. Risk free? No, I'm not doing risk free right now. I want to see once it starts breaking these highs, which is 160s, then I'm gonna do the break even. Not yet. If you wanna do it, do it. But before doing that, Spark, are you here in the chat? Pause. That Kitty, shh. That's our secret idea, secret plan. Spark. So Spark, did you find any other designs? I like the ICT ones. Kitty, have you seen those? It's in the Discord. Spark sent two designs for the ICT one. Bring you up? How? Uh, Kitty, how can you invite from the chat? Can you do that? Accept it? Yeah. Spark, you need to accept it, buddy. Come on. See, that's what happened when you start using iPhone. All right, let's see what Mr. HB have to say. Yes, Mr. HB. Hello? Mr. HB, yes. Okay, you need to turn on your camera to talk here. Yeah, I want to know who I'm talking with. Okay, what's the question? What's the question? Mm-hmm. Yes. No rules. Where you from? Where you live? You need to see if your country is restricted or not. Did you check it? Yeah, so first check that. Go to their FAQ and or are you in the Discord? Okay, wait. Because in Discord we also have that restricted. Okay, so these are the countries listed below are restricted. What's your country name? How you spell it? Uh-huh. Yeah, CAM E. Okay. So all the C countries are here. Yeah, I don't see that here, so you probably can trade on that. Yeah. Yeah, I think you'll find. Yep. So yeah, on the yes, on the lucid flex, there is no rule. So the only thing you need to do is what account you're planning to get. Cameron, okay. What account you're planning to get? 50K, 150K, 100K, 25K. 100K, okay. Uh, I think you need to make 200, I would say, every day. Not every day, I mean 5 trading days to eligible for the payout. That's it. That's all the requirement. You can trade news. Uh, you can trade news. You can hold your trade for 2 seconds, 2 minutes, 2 hours, but you need to close trade before the market close. Yes, because in future firms, they basically because we have different kind of margin in the futures, not like as compared to gold, XAUST on the forex. So you need to close, or they will automatically close that. Yeah, yeah, yep. That's it. No worries. Make sure you use code AFX. Yes, sir. Definitely. All right, man. Take care. Yeah, yeah. Join the free Discord. So whatever your questions have related to that, you can ask there. Okay. All right. Take care, man. Take care. At 2 a.m. What? Zalil. Zalil is back. The Zalil guy is back. What's up? Hola. 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 Yeah, guys, new people coming here, make sure you hit the follow button and make sure you can join the free Discord. Access to TikTok was denied. Spark, what you watch on your laptop, buddy? Why you have denied access? You need to stop going to all these random websites. Which you could read. What's X and what's Z? No, it's X. For me, it's X. It's Zalil. If you know what it means, Zalil, you can Google that. Where is Kitty? She's gone. She's sleeping. She was waiting for you. She's like, oh, I didn't see Zalil today. Asif, no, I'm playing with this Zalil guy in the chat. Asif, how you translate Zalil in English? Did you took your medicine today? No, man. Actually, I don't. I was waiting for you. I didn't use any Viagra because I was waiting for you. Did you do any giveaway? No. No giveaway. Insult, I guess. Hey, Mr. Zalil Insan, Mr. Zalil guy. You know, I'm just joking with you. Don't take it personal. I'm just having fun with you. Chill out, relax, relax, relax. Oh, I went to switch it to the mobile mode and it impacted my page and load TikTok anymore. Not even. Kitty, have you seen the Discord chat? We have some crispy talk there. You have the teeth in your heart. Yo, I'm. He's back. Spark is back. Shit. Let me block him. Spark, why you so. Hmm. Hourly open. Yes, King. I'm looking at it. Yeah. I'm already in, guys. I'm in with the same trade. If you wanna get in, you can get in back on, but I'm already in this trade. La. Yes, kid. Yes, Mr. Zalil. He says he is in, guys. Yes, Zalil, when you are so much handsome, beautiful, sitting in the chat, I must go in, right? How can I miss this beautiful opportunity? Man, don't make me start. If I start one time, then you won't able to stop me unless I'm done. All right, now we can expect another push. Yes, 4 hour open, hourly open, 15 open. Everything looks smooth. Now it depends on the market again. Waiting, waiting, and waiting. Where is your TP? Can you see on the chart? Can you open your eyes and look at the chart, Mr. Nisar? Can I enter? Yeah, you can if you want to. But if you're not in this entry yet, wait for the hourly lower wick, and then on the flip of that, you can get on. For me, I'm already in, so yeah, yeah, it's better to wait. You're a funny guy. No, I'm not funny guy. You think I'm a joker here? He cannot enter, he must enter. Yes, enter, 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 enter. Here comes another push. Full port buys. That song is moving my soul. Really? Maybe. Most likely, yes. But we'll see. Hmm. Yeah, it's better to wait for the lower wick. Okay, guys, we have some new thing in the Discord. How many of you from the chat agree with this? Let me know what you think about this. How many of you from the chat would think this is the perfect image? We don't want to tell you what is this, but that's a golf ball. Yeah. Okay, perfecto. I want to see everybody opinion. What you guys say? Wajid bhai, whoever trade this strategy is for Spark. I was just testing. I was just testing what these people think. They still have no idea. What can I say if I'm gay? Then you can become straight. I I need what? Yeah, yeah. If if you are a beautiful lady, then yes. In cruise, Asif, cruise is it's annoying. Like I mean, if I don't like you guys, I can't leave from there, you know. So I'm stuck with you there. You can stay in your room. Yeah. Kay is asking, Kitty and AFX, have you guys met in person? Yes, we meet every day. We live we live next block to each other. Turtle is astronaut. Yeah. You didn't know that, yeah. Because you're new here, Kay. You should come here more often so you know us more better. Hmm. Here is your bottom wig now. Now it's gonna drop. Why, Kitty? Why you like to do this with me? I was having fun in my trade. I'm gonna enter now. Not yet. Wait for it to push little bit down, create some lower wick, and then on the flip for the buy side, then take the entry. I will wait for your call. I mean, I'm already in, guys. I'm already in. So wait for the flip. So here, what you see here, right? Do you know the flip? What does the flip mean? So let this candle come down. Once it turns, at least here, once it starts pushing up back again, if that happen, then yes, from red to green, you will. I owe you an ice cream. Yes, definitely. What's your favorite ice cream? Coconut. I'm gonna use like one micro gonna out in max 1 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Now you can look for the flip and then take those buys. I think he like lollies. No, those are too small. You make the stream so truth social. Hmm. You like longer ice cream? Zalil, how long should I mute you from the chat? You need to tell me. 5 minutes, 5 minute long, 10 minute, 30, 1 hour, or entire. You can choose your own time. Is the goal going up? Hmm. Yes. Flip is coming. Meow. Yes, Arslan, you can. It's going up, yes, but when? When it starts flipping. Can you tell previous track title? Say it right. Nelly Fernando? Fernando? For yeah. When when you enter, yeah, it is true. Tap the screen, break the screen, hit the follow, join the free Discord, and wait for the flip and enjoy the buys and some profits for 200 ticks. That's it. Impossible love? No, it says say it right. Hi, bro, how are you? I'm good. Junie, how are you? Can I take entry? No, wait for the flip and then take entry. It's too late to close my trade. Hi, bro, good morning. Habibi, good morning. No volume, yes, Asif. Please let me know, bro, so I will take entry. Definitely, Junie. That's why I'm sitting here, brother. That's why. That's the reason why I'm sitting here. So Junie can come to the live, to the chat, and say, hello, bro. Can you take entry? And I was like, yes, Junie. Yes. Who's the artist? AFX. Tell me about the text message service you have as well. Spark. I mean now, okay. I guess I will the night. Yes, Asif. Yeah, maybe it's because of you. Maybe when you leave, we're gonna see. Have a good night. Good night. See you tomorrow, buddy. You, you text message the entry signal to all your TikTok followers. They should sign up for that service. Yes. Yeah. R- Right now, I'm already giving like three accounts, like the 100Ks to the winners. So, mm, mm, let's see, maybe end of this week or next week. Are you in? Yes. How can I get that? You need to be here to get in that. Kitty, he's being naughty here. He needs some spanking. Flip already. Yes, Mr. King Million. But. Once it starts flipping and starts pushing up, we're gonna see. So you see, okay, 30-minute closing bearish. But look at the 15. Yeah, I think once it flips hourly or 4 hour, high possibility that first it will go for this wick fill on the 4 hour flip, which is around like 200 ticks, and then further more up. So that's why I'm saying wait for that flip if you're not already in. Yeah. Re-entry, not yet. Wait for the flip and then take the entry. So if you open the 4 hour chart, okay, so you see this, the previous 4 hour have this stop wick. Yeah, that one. Hmm? That's I'm not sure. Maybe, but if it starts breaking these lows, then yes, it then no more buys. But if it's like, let's say, reject from here and then starts going up, or from here and then starts going up, flip, then that's valid. But if it starts pushing down, breaking these lows where I put the SL, then yeah, it can continue fall. But there's still high chances that it can flip and show us something. Meanwhile, it's just ranging. Hi FX, hey Slime, what's up? Can you guys, can I give you guys a fun fact? Yep. About what?
Oh, I get what he was saying. It was out of the way. Mm, are you looking at the hourly? It's a big hour range.
Might just range until this session, who knows?
I want some fun. Like what? Kind of fun would you like, Mr. Sparks? Good little for body shots. Sounds fun. It keeps rejecting that top level though. Everyone was down there complaining.
What were they saying?
Get up.
Get up. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Level 4? For what? Only risks what you're willing to lose and be okay with it. Yes, 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 absolutely. Member level 4, I am now holder. Okay, very nice. Congratulations. Binance sucks. Yes. Why are you trading on Binance, by the way, Mr. I need crypto? Why? Trade Bitcoin?
This is an hourly range. Oh my gosh. So when the next hour open, I'm gonna put in a buy on the flip and let it range up.
Yeah.
Jeez.